Hey guys, this is a keychain, the LED light and the multi-use stuff that you can use, so you can gift it to someone, and because it's very handy and very useful. This is the charging cable and the keychain itself. So you can just store keychain and the other things with the multiple tools here that you can see. So this is the light, the LED light for the routes, or the red light or the emergency stuff that you can just put it on your clothes while going in the night or somewhere else, and you can just charge it with the cable. So reverse is also true as well. And here, they have this magnet stuff, so you can use it on the magnet. And also this have small this screwdriver tool that you can use in the corner to just do it. So you can use it as a screwdriver, as a LED light, flashlight, key ring, the other lot of stuff that is very handy and very useful. So hope it's useful to you as well.